Okay, where have I been? I mean, it's been over a year since I last made a video, and I can't say that I'm proud of myself because I really love making videos for YouTube for you guys to learn something new. I've been getting so much comments about whether I've abandoned the YouTube channel or whether I'm ever gonna come back, and usually the response is yes, I'm coming back soon, and it's sooner than you think. To be honest, I don't know when that is. I know it's soon, and the reason I say that is the project that I'm working on for YouTube is still not done, and that's what you're seeing on your screen right now. I honestly didn't want to reveal this to you guys until it was finished. I've been working on this project for over a year now, almost a year since I last made the video. I started making this project, and that is this beautiful baby right here, which is a Hummer EV, the 2024 version, I guess. But lucky for us, some images were revealed, which I had a friend set up the images for me in a software to help me enable me model this car from just images. Okay, so in this case I'm not using blueprints, and if I should show you looking through the camera, for example, here you can see here, if I should cycle through the cameras that I have available here, you can see it fits exactly on the image on every angle, and that is what I'm working on for you guys as a new course, how to image model a vehicle, basically model a vehicle from images. As you can see, I'm still working on it. It's so much detail that it's taking me so much time because I really want to go deep this time. So there's so much detail on this car. Really paid so much attention to it, and it will all be in the course when I start making it. Another reason why it's taking me so long is the fact that I don't want to if you guys take a look at my previous series that I started about the interior modeling of vehicle interiors, you'd notice I didn't exactly finish it. I only ended on part 2, and I don't have any intentions of continuing because I kind of lost interest, I guess, and I'm sorry if I disappointed some of you guys out there with that. But hopefully there'll be an interior series in the future. But the reason I still haven't been making videos is I want to finish this and be confident that I can actually do it, which I already am. But I also want to be making about 40-50 videos before I start uploading, so I could schedule them one by one to be uploading maybe once or twice a week. And we won't have to wait on me making a new video for you guys, and basically everything is easy. So yeah, that's the main reason I've been away for a while, and hopefully this tells you guys that I'm definitely coming back. And the time that I have for YouTube is basically what I'm using for this project you're seeing on the screen right now. So basically no time for YouTube until this is finished, and once it's finished, yeah, I will have time for YouTube. Trust me, it's taking so much time. I feel like this is going to be at least 100 parts video, but it's going to be worth it. Yeah, that's it, and that's what I have for you guys today, and I think this is where I will leave you guys and say goodbye, and see you in the future with a new video.